Jake Lorraine, High Response Marketing. I'm here in front of this crappy hospital. It's the only one we got here. And I was thinking, like, this is a tip that could really help you, both if you're a marketer helping businesses and also if you're a business owner, small local business owner. If you were to go into the hospital for whatever reason, doesn't matter, you had pain, whatever, mental afflictions, doesn't matter, and the doctor comes in and just prescribes something for you, doesn't ask any questions, doesn't look at your history or anything, just prescribes something and says, here, this is what you need to take. You know, that would not be good, right? That wouldn't fly. But that is how most local marketers today, that's how they operate. Because of this, you see a lot of business owners that don't want to work with marketers because it's like they have if you're a marketer, you know how this is. It's like we have like a couple pills and we try to shove them down everyone's, this is what you need, this is what you need. Instead, we should be, as professional marketers, we should be asking questions. I think that I get a lot of business and I've always done really well because I listen a lot more than I talk. So when I'm talking with another business owner, I'm not just saying, okay, I've got this and this. I'm asking, what are you doing? You know, what advertising are you doing? Or what have you done? Have you done this before? Like I sell a lot of direct mail. I ask them, have you ever used direct mail? Did it work? Did it do well? This is all information that we need to know, just like a good doctor. When you go see the doctor, right, they look at your chart. They look at the history. What have you done? What have you tried? That they ask questions like, what have you tried? What did something work? Did something not work? These are good questions to ask. What have you done before? Have you tried direct mail or SEO or whatever? Is it not working? What has worked? What would you like to see happen? These are questions. Jesus Christ. Then I can see the hospital. Otherwise, you just look at this car. I'd rather see the hospital. Business owners, if you are talking with a marketer and they're not asking you questions, then most likely they don't know what they're doing. You're being fed a pill that's just like, this is all I know, take this, take this. You want to work with marketers that ask you questions, that maybe care a little bit about what you've done or what you'd like to do better. Marketers, start asking these questions and you'll see a lot better results than just trying to shove pills down their throats. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you tomorrow. What, can you see the hospital back there?
Yeah, I mean, it's not in focus. But...
Well, it's all right. You're just jealous of this Jeep over there.
Mm-hmm.
Show it.
What is it? This one?
Yeah, you're jealous of it.
It's got Bermuda.
Oh, whoa, what's that?